What's good, Josh? Your man Wayne Training. We are back with another joint. Today, I got the DJI Pocket 3. I want to go ahead and give you guys a little sample test of some of the different shooting modes. And today, I decided to kind of do that by giving you a little, paint process video of some sort. So I'll take you through the day, well, not the whole day, but just a paint process of the prep, the mixing of the paint, the booth, everything, the shooting. And I'll try to utilize different shooting modes with the DJI Pocket 3 just to kind of let you see how everything works. Honestly, some of these modes I need some help learning, so today we're going to be checking out this bad boy right here. A little, what is this thing? Some Volkswagen. Some little Volkswagen Taos, I think that's what it's pronounced. I don't know. So yeah, that's what we're going to be checking out today. And easy little prep job, fender, door, little mini bumper. So like I said, we're gonna take you through the mixing process, everything as it pertains to what it takes to paint a car. So with that being said, let's get it.
don't know. What do you got there? What is that?
I'm recording.
Oh, and I just walked right in front of it.
No, you're good. I don't care. I was just telling you to watch out for it.
Oh.
No, you're good.
You're going to edit it out? Make my feet go away?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Do it.
You still want me to just hold that one out, or
Paint shit, dude. Just keep on painting. Yeah.
in that booth with it. Checking out a little bit of the face tracking features right now. I did it in the last one. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, we done. We done. So we all finished for the day. Well, I'm not done for the day, but this video will be done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I try to do like multiple shooting modes just to kind of give you guys a feel of what it's like to shoot with the DJI Pocket 3. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Like, subscribe, share, do it up for your boy. Last thing I'm gonna do is take a few photos with it because it actually is a pretty decent camera, like in itself. So not just a video camera. So let me know what y'all think about those. And yeah, we out.